So, hi everyone, I'm henryseven, and today we will be building another Lego. And this Lego will be the Plum Blossom. So, I just finished bag number 1 at the Lego. And I made this pretty vase, in my opinion. So I just finished bag number 2 of the Lego, and it was really crazy what bag number 2 did. As you can see, bag number 1, I made this pop, but then bag number 2, I literally made this huge stem. This is actually the top, no more climbing. And then I added these pink things, some little flowers, and these red plums coming out. And also, since you guys been seeing me putting display cases horizontally, this time the Lego cannot fit in the display case. I'm just putting out the outside. You can see it's literally overgrowing. But if you put it literally like this, it's just the right height. I just finished the Plum Blossom Lego, and it looks very cool to me, and there's something clever about it. There's 2 stems here. You may think it's just connecting here, right? Well, looky, it's behind with 2 of them, and I'm gonna put them in. Now, I'm gonna put the Plum Blossom in the display case. It's literally just enough to fit inside, which is so cool. Hang on, maybe I should move. Oh, I think that's it. I think I should pause. How do you think that looks, guys? Does it look good? I'm gonna check for myself. Well, looks good. Now, we're gonna put it somewhere different this time. I'm gonna put this display case on top where I'm gonna point over there. And I'm gonna adjust it when I get to the top. I need a balance. And I told you guys I'm just gonna adjust it, so I'm gonna move this forward. Okay. This. Oh, so the 3 of the plants are back here, the green one, Lucky Bamboo. On the left back, we have the mini orchid, and in the front middle, we have the Plum Blossom. This is way new place. And remember to like and subscribe!